Hello everyone, welcome to my full course on Udemy search engine optimization. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. As I have already told you that every platform having separate search engine optimization techniques. So we will understand about Udemy. Before we start learning about its basic concept, we must choose one topic in which we have to make our course. So for that we have to do keyword research. As I have already told you in my past lecture that your topic should have demand in market, but in the same way there should be low competition so that we can rank easily. So first of all we have to find those topic in which there is high demand in market but having low competition. So for that you have to open Udemy, and now you have to go on tools section. You have to go on tools section. So click on it, and now in order to research keyword or keyword research, you have to click on market insights. You have to click on it. Now here you have to type your area of interest. Suppose I will type Filmora. As you know that Filmora is video editing software which is very popular. So I will click on it, and it will show me its demand in market and number of course, which means my competition. So number of course should be low and demand should be high in order to succeed in Udemy course. As you can see here, number of course is average, so we can't make any course on it. I have already made it. If I will make course on Filmora, then there is high demand, but in the same way number of course is average. So it could be difficult to rank in Google first page. Let's search for another topic, Midjourney. As you know that Midjourney is AI tool. Midjourney. Just click on it, and result will be based on English audience. Now here you can see student demands are high and number of course are high, so we can't make course on it. Approximately 1 month ago I checked these results. Here I saw number of course is very low, but after 1 month number of course become higher. So you have to make course very hurry. So at this particular point we can't rank. Actually we can rank, but it could be very difficult for us. So let's try for another topic. You can type any topic here. Creo. Creo is designing software for mechanical engineers. Let's click on it, and here you can see student demands are higher but course are average, so we can make our course for it. Now here you can see that I searched for CapCut. CapCut is basically made by TikTok, and it is popular software for video creation in mobile and PC as well. But here you can see CapCut is not an existing Udemy topic. So this could be positive sign for us and negative sign for us too. This situation means either there is no demand in market or there is no competition in market. Both are different thing. Here you can see that in this particular topic there is no course exist. So there is two possibility. One is there is no demand in market, so we have to ignore this point. Okay, And there could be one more possibility too. It could be great opportunity for us because no one have made any course on it. So whenever you feel more confident on such topic in which you are sure that there is high demand in market, then you should make course on it. So just click on create Udemy first course, and this is how you can start your online course journey. So thank you for watching my video.